I have always liked family medicine. I really like how you can build long-term relationships and see someone's whole family and get to know them over a long bit of time, build that relationship. A big part of the reason why I chose Ohio State was for the curriculum. One, it's flexible, so you can kind of like set your own schedule in terms of when you study, when you take breaks, when you watch lectures. You can go in person and ask questions, or you can watch it online. I think I also love how you get like hands-on patient interaction right from the get-go. I'm paired up with a doctor who's in primary care in South Columbus. He, will send me in to interview a patient, and then I'll get to practice the physical exam skills that I've learned so far. Then I'll go back to him, I'll present the case, and then we'll go in together and kind of figure out what to do. It's amazing, like we're learning about headache, and then I see someone with a headache in clinic, and that's what's really solidified the information the most, is getting to like tie a disease or an illness to an actual patient. Ohio State's one of the biggest colleges in the US, and so that can be kind of intimidating, but I've found that to be only an advantage because you have almost unlimited opportunities in terms of connections you can make with different people. And you really can make it small because you have your classes, and then within the classes you break into small groups. So you get to know people pretty well, you develop your group of friends, but then you also have access to this like huge, vast wealth of resources also.